Welcome to my classes. Today's topic is plant tissue culture.
See this figure that will convey you the simple meaning of plant tissue culture. We know plants are having a property of vegetative propagation. That means it's a type of asexual reproduction. The plant's parts such as root, leaves or stem could be used to grow new offsprings from that. This is the speciality of specially plants. Actually, we exploit the vegetative propagation property of plants.
In plant tissue culture,
We can take a small portion of rose plant, cut the stem, and you plant it in the soil, give proper nutrition, that will grow as a new rose plant. Suppose हम लोग plant cells या plant tissues या plant parts whatever may be, if I take and if I am growing them in the laboratory inside a controlled environment and making huge number of offsprings from that, that really means plant tissue culture. Now look this picture. You take out tissue sample from a plant, then they are placed on an agar growth medium. This is in vitro. In vitro in the sense inside the laboratory, inside the artificial conditions in the laboratory, and they are allowed to grow into tiny plantlets, and those plantlets are transferred to the natural environment. This is in total plant tissue culture or plant cell culture. Now look at this, the picture of scientist. Actually, the idea of plant tissue culture is invented by Gottlieb Haberland. So he is known as father of tissue culture. First step in plant tissue culture is selection of explant. Explant means excised part of a plant. If I take a leaf and I'm taking out a small piece from the leaf, we can say this as explant. It could be a shoot tip, a root tip, a cotyledon, a leaf part, a meristem, whatever may be. It could be a tissue, or it could be a leaf part, or it could be an organ anther, it could be a gamete. So whatever may be, if we are excising that from the plant, we call it as explant. So selection of explant, first step. The second step is surface sterilization. Nowadays we use sodium hypochlorite for sterilization. You know, in this corona days, we used to surface sterilize doors, even the surfaces of machines and the surfaces of your building, premises of your building, corridors, balconies, everywhere we used to sterilize. There we use sodium hypochlorite. The second step of plant tissue culture is the explant that you have selected is to be sterilized, which can be done using sodium hypochlorite, or we can also use 70% ethanol. आप आजकल देखेंगे तो जो भी हैंड सैनिटाइजर है, it is said that it should have at least 70% or 60 to 70% of alcohol. The basic idea of these sterilization, आजकल जो भी सैनिटाइजर्स है और जितने भी हम लोग सरफेस स्टरलाइजेशन कर रहे हैं, इसका बेसिक आइडिया is actually started from here. Sodium hypochlorite or 70% ethanol is used for surface sterilizing the explant. Taken an explant, surface sterilized it. Now we need a special medium where we need to place it. प्लांट का एक छोटा सा पोर्शन लिया, उसको हमें एक मीडियम में रखना है. now next is a suitable medium. So we transfer explant to a nutrient medium, and that process is known as inoculation. Third step is inoculation. In the inoculation, we transfer our explant, which is already surface sterilized, to a medium. That medium is also sterilized. So we need medium which is sterilized, need explant which is surface sterilized. The fourth step is growing of culture. The culture are grown in grow chamber by providing all the physical conditions. temperature 26 degrees Celsius, 50 to 60% of relative humidity, and 16 hours of photo period. Moving on to the fifth step. Now, if you allow to grow the plant tissue in the laboratory, it could be either in test tubes or in petri dishes, whatever may be. You are growing them inside the laboratory.
These explants will now grow and form a group of cells. Okay.
देखो, आपने एक लीफ का पोर्शन रखा, अगर आपने suitable condition दे रहे तो वो leaf cell will start to make many copies of cells. हमें क्या चाहिए? Plantlets चाहिए. We need plants. Actually यहाँ grow क्या हो रहा है? Cells is start multiplying. They are not forming tissue. They are not forming organs, organ system and all. So how do we direct them to form their proper organ systems? That is by growing them in different mediums. What we do, we will keep the plant cells in a particular medium for some days, and we will transfer them from that medium to another medium. Again, before transferring, आपको जो नए मीडियम का sterilization everything as usual you have to do, and that medium will contain certain growth regulators. See, next step is regeneration of shoots. The first thing is you are going to regenerate shoots from this. This can be done with the help of hormones. If you supply hormones in the medium, appropriate hormones अगर आप देंगे तो they will start producing. Next is production of roots. Shoot system बनाया तो next है production of roots. जो shoots आपने बनाए उसके roots बनेगा if you transfer them to a rooting medium. So regeneration of shoots and regeneration of roots. ये हो गया 5 and 6. The last step, that is once you get small plantlets, next is acclimatization. It's a very crucial step in the plant tissue culture. Acclimatization. This is also known as hardening. What actually done here? From the laboratory, those tiny plantlets are transferred to the field. So suddenly you cannot take them to the field. If you take them from laboratory on very next day to the field, they will die as soon as you transfer them. They will die because they didn't expose to the harsh conditions of climate. What we do, हम लोग सबसे पहले जो प्लानलेट्स यहाँ बनाए उसको थोड़ा सा इस रूम के दरवाजा खोल के रखेंगे, विंडोज खोल के रखेंगे, सो दैट सम लाइट विल एंटर. धीरे धीरे इनको ट्रांसफर करेंगे ग्रो चेम्बर के नेक्स्ट रूम में विच इज हैविंग सम नेचुरल लाइट. फिर वहां से लेके जाएंगे ग्रीन हाउसेस. यू कैन सी द ग्रीन हाउस. From there it will be taken to the greenhouse. They will be grown in the greenhouse for 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, in the greenhouse they will again start to adapt with the natural conditions. Once they are adapted to the greenhouse, then they will be transferred to the crop field. Hardening or acclimatization.